Book 3522, The Magic Key, the Behaim Globe. Biff, Chip, and Kipper were looking at an old world atlas on the living room table. Suddenly, the magic key on the shelf began to glow bright green with sparkling magical light. The magic carried the children back to 1491, landing in the imperial city of Nuremberg, Germany. Inside a busy craftsman workshop, they met German mariner and mapmaker Martin Behaim. Martin showed them his grand project commissioned by the Nuremberg City Council. "We are building an Erdapfel or earth apple," Martin smiled. "The world's first complete spherical globe." Artisan Hans Glockengießer built the hollow sphere. He layered, glued linen and papier-mâché over wooden moulds, coating them with plaster into a sturdy 20-inch ball. Master painter Georg Glockenden used fine quill brushes and colourful paints, carefully painting coastlines, mountain ranges, and royal banners across the plaster sphere. Martin explained the geography. The globe combined ancient maps from Ptolemy with new Portuguese sea routes charted along the African coast during Martin's voyages with navigator Diogo Calm. Chip spun the globe and noticed something missing. Where is America?" Chip asked. In 1492, the Americas were unknown to Europeans, leaving a vast ocean between Europe and Asia. Scattered across the painted ocean were mythical lands like St. Brendan's Isle and Antillia, leading straight to the golden spice islands of Cipangu and the riches of Cathay. Biff looked closely at the artwork. Georg Glockenden had hand-painted over 2,000 place names, along with 111 miniature illustrations of kings, ships, and creatures. Craftsmen fitted the globe into an engraved brass meridian ring and mounted it onto a forged iron tripod stand in Nuremberg Town Hall for citizens to admire. Completed in 1492, the Erdapfel became the oldest surviving terrestrial globe in the world, capturing the planet on the very brink of the Age of Discovery. As the magnificent globe turned gently in the sunlight, the magic key glowed bright green, carrying Biff, Chip, and Kipper safely back home after exploring the first globe of Earth.